Wi-Fi Easy Installer uses the Vivi app to allow authorized users to install Vivi devices. Refer to the Wi-Fi Easy Installer setup video to set up this feature. Once setup is complete, installation can now be completed by using the Vivi app. Using the Vivi app, the installer connects to the organization. If you are an IT administrator, select Login and enter credentials. If you are a guest installer, select Login as Guest, enter the 4-letter code previously provided during the setup process, and the name to log in. If logged in as an IT administrator, select the installation icon in the upper right. Guest installers will automatically be taken to the installation page. Use the on-screen prompts to complete installation. Once the Vivi device is ready to install, select Next. Select the profile to be used. If a location or room name is required, enter the names accordingly. Ensure the Vivi device's antennas are attached and power on the device. Once the device is powered on, select Scan for devices. The Vivi app will use your Wi-Fi to search for the Vivi device. Once found, select the device, then select Configure Devices. If in a multi-display room, you can select multiple devices. Allow the configuration to run. This may take a few minutes. Once complete, a notification will appear in the Vivi app letting you know the devices have been configured. Select Done to complete and to install another device. Once the devices have been configured by an installer, the installation will need to be finalized by an IT administrator in Vivi Central. To finalize the installation, in Vivi Central, select Installation in the left-hand menu. Any pending installations will be displayed. Check the list of pending installations to ensure accuracy and, if necessary, make any adjustments to the locations or room names. Once complete, toggle the checkbox next to all devices to approve, then select Approve in the upper right. A history of previously approved installations can be found in the Approve tab in the upper menu.